A large chemical company in Rotterdam asked DDM to replace 2 large dryers on their site. These dryers were placed right in the heart of their factory. One of the 50-ton heavy dryers has already been successfully removed. DDM was given the job to engineer this project, and in cooperation with the client, DDM made several site visits at the location. After an extensive engineering period, the work method was fully described. A realistic 3D animation was made to give a detailed insight, and the engineering period was finalized. The road and walkways were leveled out by placing a sandbed with Stelpen plates. There was a need for a flat ground surface without any obstacles from the concrete floor of the building to outside. The existing stairs and some structural columns are removed to make room for the operation. Dryer 6 was removed through the facade in one piece to leave the asbestos between the flanges intact. All incoming and outgoing piping, instrumentation and electrical systems were disconnected and removed. To remove the dryer in one piece, it is necessary to connect the 2 separate parts. The internal drum is rotating, while the shell, with heat-resistant material, is in a fixed position. A frame is built to secure the internal drum to the outer shell. This multi-purpose frame is suitable for lifting, sliding, securing the inner drum and outer shell, and transport on a low loader. The motor and driveline are removed. The supports under the shell are cut with a cutting torch. The smaller concrete supports are removed using handheld pneumatic hammers. To slide the dryers out of the building, rails are installed. These rails are to align the path the dryers will take when slid out. The dryer on its frame is lowered onto the rails and is slid out. The ventilation equipment is removed. When the dryer was outside, it was lifted again to a height of 1.5 meters. The rails were removed, and a self-propelled modular transporter, an SPMT, is driven under the dryer. The dryer maneuvers its way out of the tight space between the buildings. The new dryer is placed using the same method and with the same equipment, all in reverse order. When the old dryer was removed from the building, it was transported to DDM headquarters. At the DDM site in De Meren, the asbestos is removed. All flanges which contain asbestos are cut out and no asbestos is touched. 91% of the material is recycled. The work was executed within budget and a day quicker than planned.